Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to use relations and rollup in Notion to connect and summarize data across databases. First, open the database where you want to create a relation. Click the plus at the property at the top and select relation. Next, choose the database you want to link to. This will allow you to connect items between the two databases. Once the relation is set up, you can add a rollup property to summarize or calculate data from the linked database. For example, you can show tasks completed or sum of expenses from another table. Click inside the rollup field, select the related property and choose the calculation type like count, sum or average. Notion will automatically update as data changes. And that's that guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.